Okay, so what we're going to do is making a dish that is fresh hard-boiled eggs cooked in grease or deep fried. These are called tiger skin eggs. Um, you can either boil your eggs. I use the air fryer to do these eggs, but you can also air fry them. Make sure that you completely take all the moisture off because water and grease does not work well together. And we're going to sit there and let them cook, and I'll be right back. This is the grease. It's finally getting inside the core of the eggs. These are almost done, but they make a really weird hissing, almost popping sound while they're cooking. But they're almost done. We're going to turn the heat down a little bit less, let it finish up, and then we're going to do a taste test. Oh yes, taste test. Look at it, overboiled. Look at it, look at it. This is called a tiger skin egg. It's basically an egg that's been boiled and then deep fried. I'm going to see what this tastes like. Let's see what this tastes like. This is really weird. Hmm. It tastes like an egg with a crispy outer shell. But it's not. Outside of the crispiness of the shell that's been deep fried, it's pretty much an egg. But I can see where they call it tiger skin because the outer egg is a little tougher than it normally is. When you normally eat a hard-boiled egg, the exterior is usually soft, mushy. This is quite crunchy, but not bad at all. Until next time, enjoy.